Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy pizza that's perfect for a keto diet. Plus, I'll give you some tips on how to plan your meals for the week to stay on track with your weight loss goals. So, let's get started. How to make a keto diet pizza. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 head of cauliflower, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, ½ cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, here are the steps to make the pizza. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Cut the cauliflower into small pieces and pulse them in a food processor until they resemble rice. Microwave the cauliflower rice for 4 to 5 minutes until it's cooked through. In a bowl, mix the cauliflower rice with the eggs, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Spread the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Add your desired toppings, such as tomato sauce, shredded chicken, bell peppers, and onions, and bake for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. How to plan your meals for the week on a keto diet. Now, let's talk about how to plan your meals for the week to make sure you're sticking to your keto diet and achieving your weight loss goals. Here are some tips. Plan your meals in advance and make a shopping list. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as meat, fish, vegetables, and healthy fats. Meal prep in advance to save time during the week. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to keep things interesting. Consider intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating to boost weight loss results. And there you have it. A delicious and healthy keto diet pizza recipe, plus some tips on how to plan your meals for the week. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more keto diet and weight loss tips. Thanks for watching.